Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Green, blue, red. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Be temperate in your assumption of support for your rituals. Don't be upset with people over mere bodily identification. Different postures and variety of tools matters. Distinguish between emotion and feeling, and the action to be done are the beliefs to have. Sometimes someone should be allowed to finish the rituals first. Ignore the immaturity of critics. When rituals involve food or drink, arrange the distribution. Forms and qualities are means of action and are not independent of divinity. One can worship with conditional names separately. Decide by comparable relationships, positions, and non-reaction is not always the same as approval. Use mantras that represent manifestation of divinity. There are beings present, but we may not witness their presence. One can become enabled towards charity and rituals, but material favors shouldn't be the goal of the actions. Gates in ritual need distinguished by how they are treated. Demons have powers of illusion and delusion over those with gaps in their consciousness. The terrible appearances of things and beings can be cleared by ablutions and contrary devotions. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omnipotent, omnipresent, omniscient, all attractive, source of pleasure. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.